के 2:50+10 हो चुके हैं ऑलरेडी. आई एम गोइंग टू गोल्डन टेम्पल इन अमृतसर, which is why I wanted to vlog this experience. Of course, I've never been there. I've never been to Punjab altogether, so it's pretty exciting. So this was a salwar that I bought quite some time back, and उसके बाद मैंने कभी नहीं पहना इसको. So you have to kind of like cover your head. I'm whispering because it's very late right now. It's like 4 बजने वाले हैं थोड़ी देर बाद. लंबा है मेरा show. This much.
I got all this joy in my heart. It's getting dark.
It's 3:13 at night and this area is like quite vibrant. So are gurudwaras in general open till night? सुबह के 3:30 बजे रश हो रहा है.
They might be washing it with milk and water right now. सोशल के बुक में और लोगों के सोशल मीडिया पे तो काफ़ी देख चुकी हूँ, बट व्हेन आई सॉ इट ऑनेस्टली द गोल्डन टेम्पल वाज सो मच मोर सूदिंग देन anything I could have imagined. My friend here told me कि यहाँ पे लोग 30-40 दिन आके रुक जाते हैं to get their mannats personally approved. और क्योंकि they feed lakhs of people on an everyday basis, they allow you to be a very small contributor by offering some prasad. Of course, you are not allowed to, and neither should you click anything inside the actual temple. Late night या फिर dawn को जाना was such a good idea because we could get in and come out within 30 minutes. Apparently, यही same चीज दिन में करने में बहुत घंटे निकल जाते हैं. So we got out and then got some late night kulfi as well. What is up, everybody? I am up and awake, and it is 11. कितने बजे? 11:30 in the morning. I'm not the one that has booked this place. This booking of this place was one of my friends' responsibility because I was keeping a little bit busy, and safe to say they have done a good job. हाँ जी, पेड़ ही दिख रहा है. But okay, I think you can see like a little bit of the शहर. Like, wait 1 second. It's like there. Today we are gonna go around Amritsar and I'm actually very excited for the food. Last night, right at arriving, we went to this beautiful cafe called Elgin Cafe. Elgin, I'm not so sure. But it was like 3 minutes from the hotel. So the aesthetics of the cafe were quite nice. But today I have specifically mentioned कि local खाते हैं थोड़ा. You know, I want to kind of go out. Have the paratha. बोलते अभी I will get like distracted. So yeah, I think I need to rather get ready. Last third. Yes.
All right, let's go.
And do the lassi then last.
All right. Okay. Does lassi make you sleepy or what?
Oh yes, 100%. After like morning breakfast, if you drink with it.
हाँ, this is a lot.
10 साल पहले मिले होते.
क्यों?
You'll be eating 3 of them.
Okay, I see what you were talking about. I see what you were talking about. It's amazing. Like this, I will not mind vegetarian food.
Why would you do that?
I did not. You did it.
It's me.
Who told you to drive the car like suddenly?
Welcome to Punjab. पंजाब में आपका स्वागत है.
That did not have a lid.
I know.
I look like I puked. अब मुझे करनी थी थोड़ी सी शॉपिंग बिकॉज अमृतसर हैज लाइक रियली ग्लिटरी ब्लिंगी स्टफ एंड मुझे वो मिस आउट नहीं करना था. दिस इज द मार्केट एरिया नियर द विसिनिटी ऑफ गोल्डन टेम्पल इटसेल्फ. ऑफ कोर्स वी हैव टू शॉप सम जुत्तीज एंड ओ माय गॉड एवरीथिंग वाज सो ब्लिंकी. इसका सेकंड वाला मतलब ये आई थिंक दिस इज राइट.
चलो दूसरा कर दे.
ये थैनोस के रिंग्स वाले जुत्ती तो मुझे बहुत पहले दिख गया था बट अपेरेंटली दिस वाज किड सो आई डिड नॉट गेट दैट वन. फिर आई वेंट टू द ज्वेलरी स्टोर और मैंने बहुत सारे ज्वेलरी शॉपिंग करी. ये वाले साइज में दिखाइएगा ना. ये तो रख ही दीजिए साइज साइड में. हाँ, अगर मुझे सब पसंद आ गया फिर प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगी. वाओ.
We can go inside, baby.
I thought there must be something interesting by the structure. फिर मैंने देखा ढाबा लिखा हुआ था साइड में. लाइक वाह बढ़िया
ढाबे का एक्सटीरियर बढ़िया बनाया है. ओल्डेस्ट ट्री ऑफ
अमृतसर मार्केट.
तुमको कैसे पता लेकिन दिस इज द ओल्डेस्ट? पेड़ ने बताया क्या?
Somebody is doing water seva. So cold and filter water.
हाउ
भी
नाइस
जा
इज दैट?
सकते हो.
मैकडॉनल्ड्स, जलियांवाला बाग.
Another place we all read about in the history books, the Jallianwala Bagh massacre spot. I also saw the martyrs' well, and there were also the bullet marks which were still there.
नाम दिख रहे हैं यहाँ पे. यहाँ पे रेलिंग लगा हुआ है. God knows how people have reached there because what the hell.
After that, we decided to have some lunch. So my friend took me to this dhaba.
Okay, that looks amazing. Chole. What is this paneer
That's
something?
paneer makhni. And that's dal makhni.
Is this is not kulcha, no?
Yeah, this is a mini kulcha.
This is a mini kulcha.
Yeah, otherwise the size is this much. That's how you get ghee in Punjab.
Wow. Wow, okay. Huh? My trainer is gonna watch all this. He's going to be like,
अच्छे से खा के आई.
अच्छे से खा के आई हो.
So you still love the dal the most? That's the comfort food of Punjab. Dal and
That dal is like, what is it? How is it so good? Like, I haven't even moved on. This is so good. I haven't moved on. I haven't moved on till here only, till now. I think this must also be nice.
jump in. Take a bite of this too.
So because it's Punjab, तो इतना सारा खाना खाने के बाद वो तुमको और खाना खिलाएंगे. And I sure didn't complain because this rabdi was insanely good.
Hello. I'm not sure if I should be vlogging in this condition because we've traveled all day today to get to Pathankot. So I'm in Pathankot right now. I'm supposed to go to Himachal tomorrow, because of which Pathankot is a pit stop. Okay, I just had to quickly expand the screen just to show the aesthetics of the place. अब यहाँ पे कैसा दिख रहा है, I'm not extremely sure how it's looking right here because of the expanded screen. Aesthetics are so vintage. अच्छा, तो ये है buttons of lights and stuff of this room. And it is so aesthetic. I've stayed at really beautiful places, but मुझे कहीं भी इतना चौड़ा मिरर नहीं दिखा है आज तक किसी भी होटल में. Like इतना बड़ा मिरर.
So it was day 2 and we were off to Himachal. बस 24 hours ही हुए हैं, पर इतनी सारी चीजें कर ली थी इस टाइम तक.
इसको खोलते किस तरफ से लेकिन?
इसका पेट काटना है. Operation Dinosaur.
Operation Dinosaur. Boomer. What else do we have? Phone candy 94351.
I should get this too.
What is that? तुम लगा लो ये.
ये तुम्हारे लिए.
तुम लगा लो. मजा.
पापा की butterfly.
So that was us picking up snacks for the Chota Beautiful Rasta. The Rasta was just 1.5 hours away, and on the way we also went into this beautiful Shiva temple. Himachal में जैसे कि बहुत सारे Shiva temples होते हैं, but this one was so beautiful.
It was inside a cave and the vibes were like unmatched. We reached Dharamkot and the plan here was extremely random. My friend here wanted to take me to this Momo spot, which I was actually kind of confused about, and to reach that we had to take a ropeway. Why are you laughing?
क्या की इतनी बढ़िया लड़की गिरी कहीं से मैं दिख जाऊं.
सच में
मैंने बोला था रेनकोट कंबल ये
Since this was a really quick trip, तो सारा वीकेंड में काम खत्म करके मैं आई हुई थी. टेक्निकली मैं वीक डे में ऐसे बैठ के रोपवे में हिमाचल के सीन्स देख रही थी. इट वॉज अमेजिंग. गाइज, वुड यू लाइक अ हाउस लाइक दैट? मेरे से तो ना हो पाता भूतों के डर से ऐसे पहाड़ के बीच में, बट आई नो अ लॉट ऑफ यू वुड लाइक. किस किस के ऐसे शौक है जरा बताना मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में.
Okay, let's not wait on this.
कंटिन्यू.
Oh my god. I didn't expect, you know. But like, I don't know. At one point I was like, इतना दूर क्यों जा रहे हैं मोमोज के लिए? Okay.
This
It
is
makes sense.
बेस्ट मोमोज इन आई थिंक हिमाचल में इसको मिलना चाहिए. This guy is crazy.
You guys, I'm from the northeast. So अगर मोमो अच्छे है कि नहीं किसी से पूछना है तो I'm probably the best person, you know. And this was the best momo I have literally ever had. So हाँ, उसके बाद we had some chai and Maggie again. Basically हिमाचल में जो जो भी खा सकते थे हमने कुछ नहीं छोड़ा. That was probably my friend's plan out here. So yeah, that was it for this vlog. It was actually a short and sweet trip. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. If you did, please make sure to drop like hearts, red hearts in the comment section below. And I hope to see you guys in a next one really soon. Make sure to subscribe. Have fun. Bye.